Good morning, YouTube. It's Charlie from Reader Turned Writer, and today I am doing a day in the life vlog, and it is a Friday. I'm doing this series of a day in the life vlog for each day of the week. I assign different big jobs to different days, so I thought I would just do each day, and it's been really fun. I have really enjoyed doing the vlog videos. Tomorrow is my last day. Fridays are my big cleaning days. So on Fridays, I sweep and mop the whole house, vacuum, clean the bathrooms, and then I take the girls upstairs. We have 2 rooms and a bathroom upstairs, and the girls clean those with my help. And then I take out all the trashes, and then I'm done. Friday is also our family movie night, and we do pizza and watch a movie together. And that's always fun, especially after spending the day cleaning. I also try and finish up any editing that I need to do during naps. I try and finish cleaning in the morning, and then during nap times I try to finish editing videos. Right now it's about 7:30. I did sleep in. I have slept in almost every single day this week. It is a lot harder in the summer to go to bed on time, so then I end up sleeping in a little more. I think I heard the girls, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a balance bar, and then I'm going to go upstairs and I am going to get the girls, and then while they're eating I'm going to edit my book for about 30 minutes. So I wrote, and then I decided after I wrote I was going to hurry and finish editing a video that I started yesterday because I actually want to upload it this morning. So what I'm going to do now, I need to go change Riley's diaper because she has a messy diaper, and then my other 2 girls are supposed to be upstairs getting dressed, but I can hear them fighting up there, so I'm going to take the clothes of theirs that I've washed on Wednesday and take them up and see if I can help them work out their fight and put away the laundry up there, and then I'll put away my husband and my laundry, and then I will be ready to sweep and mop and vacuum and all that stuff. Okay, so I got most of the cleaning done. The vacuum, we have a cordless vacuum and it died as I was vacuuming my bedroom, so I still need to finish that after it charges some more, and I am currently washing the rags to clean the bathroom with. So I haven't done those 2 things yet, but I've done everything else. And I am tired. And we had lunch. The girls wanted macaroni and cheese and pickles. So that's what they had for lunch. And then I had a bean and beef burrito with carrot sticks. Now the girls are in the kitchen coloring boxes with markers and crayons, and Riley is asleep. I am going to work on editing some videos some more, and then when I'm done with that, maybe I'll watch some YouTube videos. Riley woke up. Hi Riley, you had a good nap. Now she's gonna eat a banana. Can you smile for the camera? Most of her nap I spent editing a vlog video. My oldest daughter was making up some card games, so I played that with her a little bit. Now we're just gonna hang out a little, and I need to figure out dinner. We're gonna do pizza, and I'm not sure what kind of pizza we're gonna do yet. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Well, we decided to order pizza, and we chose Papa John's. My husband and I really like the sausage the sausage pizza here. I always order online so that I can get the discount, and now with COVID going on, it's really nice because we just go and we can just pick it up. I have Riley in the car with me and my other two are at home with my husband doing craft stuff still. So I am just waiting in the car until the online tracker says that it's ready. So this afternoon I watched some YouTube videos and read some books with Riley and Parker, and then read in my Snape book. It's like an analysis of Harry Potter and Snape, and it's actually really fun to read. Yeah, now I am going to turn this off and see if our pizza's ready yet or not, and go home and have movie night. My husband's cousin and his wife are coming over as well for movie night to just kind of hang out with us, so should be fun. Well, movie night was a success. It was fun. We watched Tangled because Riley wanted to watch Rapunzel. For part of the movie, I worked on making invitations for Riley's birthday party next week. She's going to be turning 2 on Tuesday. Now I'm just in my daughter's room putting her to bed. She's wearing Minnie Mouse pajamas. It is 10:30. After putting the kids down, my husband and I had some of the leftover homemade ice cream we made the other night, and then we watched a couple episodes of Leverage together. Now we're going to go to bed. I'm going to read a little bit in an ebook that I have called The Vine Witch. I am liking it so far. It's very interesting. Not very far into it. So today was cleaning day. It went fairly well. I got most of the cleaning done that I wanted to, but I did not get the bathrooms cleaned. But I do want to clean the bathrooms still. Probably I will do that tomorrow because they do need it. I also got a lot of videos edited and uploaded, and I got my writing done. What I did was I worked on this last week at writing group. They gave me some suggestions for how to fix the chapter that I was submitting, and I had a final section of that chapter to submit, so I made changes to it that kind of went along with the changes that I was making earlier in the chapter, and so that's what I kind of focused on today. And now it's time for me to go to bed. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for lots of writing content. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.